Alright guys, let's try to finish up these system of equations, okay? So, as you can see, I already took the liberty of working this one out. Subtract 14x from both sides, divide by 3, negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6, negative 14 divided by 3 reduces to negative 14 over 3. Well, I guess it really doesn't. Leave it as a fraction so you can count using your slope. The second one, x plus 3y, again, subtract x from both sides, then divide by 3, and we get 7 minus 1/3 x, okay? I brought those up here, now it's time to graph them. Start with your y-intercept, negative 6. So, right here, we're going to count up 14, and we're going to go back 3, because, we can't go down 14, so we're going to go up and then back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then go back 3. 1, 2, 3. All I really have room is for 2 dots, so I'm going to connect the dots. I don't know what this is doing there. Alright, so here's my line. We're going to pick blue here. Connect the dots. Looking pretty good. Again, little arrows here. Again, I don't know where this came from. There, put that back. All right. I'm going to use red for the next one. So y-intercept is 7. We're going to put negative 1, 3, so down 1 over 3. We're going to go the other direction, so up 1, back 3, and that's where they intersect. So let's draw our line. Change it to red. And then we're going to connect our dots there. And based on my eye judgment, they intersect right about here. And that looks like it's negative 3, 8. Okay, again, you can plug this in and check. And let me show you something else that's kind of helpful. Oops, forgot my arrows. If you go to the browser here, I'm going to use Chrome. If you come up here and type in Desmos, it's an online graphing calculator. See, Desmos graphing calculator. Click it. It's going to load. Boom. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to plug in those equations. Okay. I have them written down on a piece of paper. Here we go. 14x plus 3y equals negative 18. I'm going to click this space right here. You can use your iPad or iPhone. There's an app for it. X plus 3y equals 21. And if you notice, I'll pull the graph down, they intersect. If I click it, I'll get a coordinate. If you notice, that's negative 3, 8. That's exactly what we got. Boom. We did a good job. Okay. So, let me work on this one, and we'll check it with Desmos. So, let's see. All this is in the way, so let me erase it. Boom. Get my pen. So, again, we got negative 11x. Let's get it right about here. 11x minus 7y equals 63 for the first one. The next one I'll put in blue. 11x minus 7y equals a negative 56. So again, I'm going to solve these. Minus 11x, minus 11x, and draw my line. Those cancel. Negative 7y equals 63 minus 11x. Divide by negative 7. Y equals 63 divided by negative 7 is going to be a negative 9. Two negatives make a positive. That's 7 and 11 doesn't reduce, so we just bring them on down. Blue line, so minus 11x from both sides again. Draw our line. Negative 7y equals negative 56 minus 11x. Divide by negative 7. Y equals, let's see, that'd be positive 8. Again, two negatives make a positive, and it's still 11 over 7. Look what happened. Looks like the slopes are the same, but our y-intercepts are different. So let's transplant these up here. Let's do the blue line first. Y equals 8 plus, was that a plus? Yep, 11 over 7. X, and my purple one was negative 9. Same slope. Negative 9 plus 11 over 7x. So, as always, we're going to graph it. Let's see here. Negative 9's down here. Plus 11, 7. So I'm going to go up 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, draw your line. Let's see, this is purplish. I guess it's this purple. And naturally, I'm a little crooked. So let me fix it. There we go. Boom, there we go. Again, arrows. Let's draw the next one. I think that was blue. 8. That's up here. Now, I don't have room to go up 11, so I'm going to go down 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Draw my little line here. Yikes. Oh, you know what? Bree showed me a trick. So I'll click the line, then I'm just going to click blue. Haha. Thank you, Bree. Shout out to Bree for teaching me how to change the colors of these lines. Now, as you notice, we're going to put all the arrows. They have the same slope. Does that mean that they're going to intersect? No, no, they're not. They're never, ever, ever going to intersect, which means there's no solutions for this one. Okay? Because remember, they either have to cross once, or the lines lay on top of each other, or they're parallel, so there's no solution. Okay? Let's look at one more. I think we did 15 in class. Let's see. Yeah, let's do 16. So again, x plus 2y equals negative 18. 9x minus 2y equals negative 2. Subtract x from both sides. Draw your line. 2y equals negative 18 minus x. Divide by 2. Y equals negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. This will reduce to negative 1/2 x. This one, let's see, minus 9x from both sides. Draw your line. 2y equals negative 2, negative 9x. Divide by negative 2. Y equals, two negatives make a positive. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. Again, two negatives make a positive, but that 2 can't go in that 9. So 9 over 2 x. Okay? So I'm going to come up here. Again, I'm just going to use, shoot from the hip here. Negative 9, that's right here. Negative 1, 2. So down 1 over 2. Up 1, back 2. Again, it's at a negative slope. Take your line tool, draw your ruler, draw your line. Nope, forgot. I had purple last time. Changes to blue. There we go. Again, the arrows. Next line is going to be at the 1, and this one's going to be 9 over 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over 2. And again, this is a positive slope, so it's only natural for it to go up. Again, if I want to make sure they line up, I'm going to try counting down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back 2. And yep, they're going to intersect right here. Again, being a little lazy without changing my colors, but that's okay. I'll leave this one purple so you can see the difference. Let me dress this up a little bit. There we go. Again, arrows. It looks like it's going to cross at the -2, -8. Okay? And again, you can test this. Remember, this is X, this is Y. If I plug in the -2 up here, let me scroll up a little bit. -2 and the -8. So -2, and that's just going to be -2. -8 here, 2 times -8 is -16. Minus the 2, we get a -18. Check. If I put a -2 here and a -8 here, -2 times 9 is -18. -2 times -8 would be a +16. Add those up, and indeed, we get -2. So check. So that's a good answer. Let me check my time. Like I said, I don't want my videos to be too long. We're at 11 minutes. Let's see if there's another one we can work together. All right, let's try. Here's the answers for the worksheet. So if you want to pause the video and check, but I still want to do one more with you. Let's see here. Oh, let's do 17. 17 would probably be another no solution one. So let's check. 9x minus 2y equals 8. 9x minus 2y equals -2. So again, I'm solving. Minus 9x, draw my line, -2y equals 8 minus 9x. Divide by -2, divide by -2. Y equals 8 divided by -2 is a -4. Negative make a positive, 9/2x. Again, this one, subtract 9x from both sides, 9x. Draw a line. Those cancel. -2y equals -2 minus 9x. Divide by -2. Y equals 1. Negative make a positive, 9/2. And again, we have parallel lines because of the slopes being the same thing. But again, if I were to graph it to show you, -4, up 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over 2, 1, 2. Draw my line. Again, I'm going to go a little quicker this time. I'm not even going to care about the color of that line. And then 1, 9, 2. So 1. What is this? What? Oh, forgot to change it to a pen. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. And again, on your paper, these lines are probably going to look really close together. But again, doesn't matter. They're parallel. And again, dagnabbit, where's the pen? No solutions. Okay? All right. Again, here's the answer so you can check your work. I wanted to do one more thing with you guys, because I know we're going to try to take our test Monday. Let's see, here they are. Guys, let's work on these. We're solving for y, okay? So 2x plus 6y. And again, if you want to pause the video, try it out yourself before I give you the answer. That'd be cool. All right, here we go, solving for y. So subtract 2x from both sides. Draw your line, cross those out, because that's going to be 0. 6y, 12 minus 2x. Divide by 6, because they're being multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. What you do to one side, you do to the other. We're getting rid of the 6's. Y equals 16, what's wrong with me? 12 divided by 6 is 2. A negative and a positive make a negative. That 6 can't go in that 2, but we can sure reduce that. 2 can go into 2, and 2 can go into 6. So 1/3 x. And again, if we want to write it like slope-intercept form, boom, there's our answer. Over here, we're solving for b. Okay, we have a fraction here, that 1/2. Again, when a number is under a line here, it's like you're dividing. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So let's just go ahead and take care of that first. Times both sides by 2. 2 times x is going to be 2x. This half and that 2 cancels, and then we just have the AB. Divide by a from both sides because we're solving for b. The a's cancel, so now you have 2x divided by a equals b. Alright, I think we want to let that be our last problem on this video. Again, that's for the graphing of system of equations with a little bit of a review for rearranging formulas. And, oh, look, there's Gru. Okay, guys, you can do it. Just practice, okay? All right, y'all have a good night.